So now what I will do, I will create one more directory. I will start by creating a directory mkdir ayush. Okay, I have created ayush, and now what I have to do, I have to again create more directory in ayush, cd ayush. Okay, mkdir ayush 2. Okay, ayush 2. Now we are done. Again I will go on the home directory, and what I will do, I will create one more directory mkdir um, test 67. Okay, so here you can see ayush has been created already. In the ayush directory we have another ayush 2 and text 67, where it is, yeah, here this is one. Okay, so I will perform here ls, and now you can see all the directory which we have created. Now what I have to tell you, like to remove this directory, the command is rmdir. Okay, remove directory. So there is a one thing in this, like let me clear this all. If directory is empty, okay, if like suppose this directory test 67, there is nothing, this is empty directory, so in this case we can easily use rmdir. Okay, we can easily use it. But if directory is not empty, suppose in this case ayush 2, so in this case when we will do rmdir, so what will happen, like it will it will not delete that particular directory. It will show you the error like directory is not empty. Okay, but when you will go in the ayush directory and when you will try to delete ayush 2, then it can be easily deleted. Why? The reason behind is this, like ayush 2 is empty. Okay, I hope you got this point, like how rmdir command works. So now our job is to just delete the directory and learn the things. Okay, so let's start. So what we will do, ls, now I will first try to delete the test 67, test 67. Okay, so now what will happen, I will hit just enter, and now boom, so your test 67 has been deleted. Okay, now again we will try to do ls here, and so you will not see anywhere like test 67 is there. Now what we will do, and yeah, one more shortcut I want to tell you that for clearing the terminal, if you do clear, then it will clear obviously, but there is also one more shortcut like control plus L, automatic to get clear. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to remove the directory ayush. Okay, now let's see what happens. Fail to remove ayush, directory not empty. Okay, obviously directory is not empty, we know, like there is another folder in ayush. So what we will do now, we will go in ayush directory, and then I will try to first delete ayush 2. Okay, we have deleted and there is no any directory. Now what I will do, I will go back in the home directory and I will delete ayush. Okay, so ayush has been deleted. Okay, so suppose if there is many folders and directories, like suppose there in ayush there is ayush 2 to ayush 100. Okay, or in that particular directory there are other more directories. Okay, so you have to delete this, so this is very tedious work, like it's not easy to do one by one. Okay, so like the solution for that is that, like we will use some flags with it. Okay, so now again let me create a directory. I will use -p option. If you have watched previous video, then you will get it what is -p and all these things. So I'm going to create not test, let's create with ayush 1, ayush 2, ayush 3. So what will happen here, like in ayush 1 there will be ayush 2, in ayush 2 there will be ayush 3. So you can check here, uh, ayush 1, ayush 2, and ayush 3, and in ayush 2 there will be nothing, it will be empty directory. So now what I have to do, I have to delete this whole directory in single command. So what I will do, there are multiple ways, I will tell you everything each one by one, the more different ways. Okay, so we will use rmdir /s. Okay, and then we will just provide the directory name ayush 1. Okay, So what this command will do, basically it will delete the whole the directory from the root to the end, like child. Like it will start from Ayush and it will end to the Ayush 3, and it will delete the whole file structure. And with this command it will ask you for the permission, like you will need to enter yes or no whether you want to delete or not, like just like a confirmation message it will ask for you. Let's check what happens. Okay, it's showing no such file or directory. Why? uh, 1 minute, let me check with this hyphen help whether it works in Ubuntu or not. Okay, sorry, we can use hyphen p option for that. Okay, sorry, what we'll do, rmdir hyphen p ayush 1. I think we will need to provide whole path. Okay, ayush 3. So we can easily have deleted easily in this way also. We can use rmdir in this way. Okay, but there is also one way, that slash s. I will need to just check with the Google why this command didn't work. uh, Not working with Ubuntu. Like I have used this command earlier, it was working on my Linux machine. Let me check with it. um, and also let's go with the rmdir slash s. Okay, Google is your friend, buddy. Like if you will stuck somewhere, then this is your only friend where you will get the help. Okay. Okay, so here is the like documentation of Microsoft. Then if it is Microsoft, then like it should be correct. Here slash is what it's saying, deletes a directory tree, the specified directory and all subdirectory including all files. Okay, we were correct. And this rmdir slash s test to remove a directory named test and all its subdirectory. Okay, we were doing the same thing. I didn't get why it's not working in Ubuntu. Like there may be some reason. uh, Here you can see like there may be. Okay, leave it. I will try once more. Let's check it happens or not. I will try to create again the same directory. I will just hit the what was the command, rmdir slash s, and ayush1 is there. Okay, fail to remove. Okay, if I do forcefully, then what happens? Okay, it's not working even. So now what is the options to delete the whole directory in a single command? Like slash s failed in Ubuntu, I don't know why. We will figure it out later. But now what is the other way? So there is a way. So what we will do, we use the rm command. Okay, with the help of this command, we can easily delete all the files like in a single command. What we will use the flag with it, rm-rf. Okay, and then ayush1. Done. We are done, buddy. Like rf stands for recursively and fs stands for forcefully. We can easily use this rm command to remove these directories in a one single command. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you got it, like how we can delete the directories in this by using a particular single command or by one command. Like basically in the like real world, we basically use this rm-rf. Okay, we use it because like whenever we create a directory, it will not be empty. Like you can get it, you can relate it with it. Like whenever you create, then you create it for some kind of purpose. That's why. So we can easily use this rm-rf command for this removing directory. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you liked it. I hope, and if you have any query, then please you can ask us in comment section. And yeah, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And yeah, thank you for watching this video.